Kids rhyme time fun. Kids rhyme time fun.
In a little bowl upon the table lives a fruit family, bright and able. Let's sing their names one by one. Join the rhyme and have some fun. Apple is the oldest brother, red and round unlike no other. He says, a crunch a day is best. I help keep you strong and full of zest. Got bananas long and loves to laugh, slips and giggles on her path. She peels her coat with such great flair and dances lightly through the air. Grapes are tiny, full of cheer, a bunch of fun when friends are near. Purple, green, and sometimes red, they love to bounce upon the bed. Orange is round and sweet and bright, peels herself with all her might. She gives a juicy citrus kiss and says vitamin C is bliss. Strawberry small with seeds on top, wears a leafy little crop. She giggles when she's in a pie or blended in a smoothie high. Old pineapple wears a spiky crown. She's the queen who won't back down. Sweet and tangy, proud and tall, she throws the best fruit party of all. So clap your hands and sing with glee for the fruity, fun, and healthy family tree. From breakfast time to picnic day, they make you smile in every way.
Like, subscribe, comment,